Hi you guys, welcome back to my mukbang. It's AliyaMonique. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Welcome back to our video. Say it. Say welcome back. Look at the camera. You see the camera? Oh my! I'm sorry. My braid is in everything. Kiss. What's this? Blow a kiss to the camera. Go like this. Look like this. Okay, we're gonna get right involved. You know what we're about to do. We're gonna eat while I talk my mess. It's hot as hell in here, okay? So we're gonna get to it. We're gonna get right into it. Okay, you wanna do a tutorial? Hello. No, wait, give me this. No, it's fine. I just wanna wipe your hands. Wait, hold on. Let's do a thumbnail. Look. Okay, we are back with another mukbang. Woo, woo. I want to eat, but she's not letting me eat. We about to let her do her own thing, and then we're gonna do this by ourselves. Okay, stand up, big girl. Okay, so let's just get started. My dog's down here. You might hear him crying, but whatever. So I'm gonna have to turn the AC on and I'm gonna talk over it because I can't. I'm hot. So we're gonna just jump into it and get started. You're welcome. I really wanted to talk about Miss Laura Lee. Oh, I'm sorry. Little Caesar's pizza. So this is a square pepperoni pizza with cheesy bread. I got buffalo wings and I got the cinnamon bite. I hope you guys enjoyed our last. mukbang that we did when we were eating the McDonald's. That was really good. It got a lot of hits on YouTube, so I decided to do another video. Doing Little Caesars, as y'all can tell. I wanted to come on here and talk about the Laura Lee situation and just like not even about the situation, but just how comfortable people are when they get like a little bit of famous or they get a little bit of fame. Just how people, when they just get a little bit of money, they think that they can say and do whatever they want to say, you know? And I'm so tired of that. I'm so tired of people just being racist, not only to the black culture, but other minority cultures, you know? Like, it's not okay. Like, everybody has everybody's entitled to, hello, shush. Everybody's entitled to feel away. everybody's has opinions. And everybody, chicken. Everybody's entitled to feel away. You know, you can't tell anybody to. You can't tell people not to feel a certain way, and I get it. Like, the culture is just messed up in general, you know? And not the culture, this world is messed up. No, don't clap to that, baby. That's not good. The world should not be messed up. I think that this place should be equal, but it's never going to be equal due to how it started. And I get that, you know? That's another story within itself. But I don't think it was okay for what she said. And I think that, right. I think that apology that she said, these wings are so small, they're like baby wings. Like, what the hell is this? I feel like her apology was so like half. Hey, she's looking at herself in the mirror. I'm sorry. Hey, you don't want any chicken? Chicken? Chicken?
No.
Okay. Her apology was so like half-assed, you know. I don't think it was appropriate, even for her to say. I didn't think that. What'd she say? If I said anything to hurt anybody, you knew what you said, and you knew it was gonna hurt people, and you knew that people were gonna respond. Say yay. Let me guess. Oh, thank you, baby. She get my shirt dirty, man. Anyway, you knew. You know you have black subscribers, and you know you have Asian subscribers, and you know you have white subscribers, and you have blah 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 and blah blah blah. So cut all the bull ass, cut all of that. Like, let's keep it real.
Yeah.
For real, let's keep it real. Let's keep it all the way 100. Why can't? Ugh, I get full so fast. I cannot do these mukbangs. My dog is down here begging, okay, for his life. Really? Really, artist? You know who supports you, Laura. You are so ignorant and a piece of S, okay? And I'm gonna keep it 100 real with you. 100 real with you. Whoever accepted your apology is a BS just like you. A BSer. People who think that they have a little platform and they think that they can get away with stuff and do and say and do whatever they want to say. No, you got caught this time, and you've probably been tweeting this shit, and you've probably been saying stuff, but this is the time you got caught. And you lucky that it's just this, you know what I'm saying? Like, it could be way times worse, but instead you don't even apologize off the back. It takes you mad days to apologize after the tweets, after people have been telling you, like, you know what you said was inappropriate. Sorry, those wings are hot. They got my nose running. Every time I get a tissue, she want me to wipe my hands. Give me something. But yes, you knew what you did was wrong. You can't tell me S-H-I-T, because kids are around, that you didn't know what she was saying and you didn't know what she was doing. And it's okay, because your whole squad is racist, and your whole squad feels the same way you feel, and that's why you haven't gotten checked yet. But when you surround yourself around people, mind you, you do. In the beauty community, there are black people. I know you know Jackie Ina, Jackie O. One of the most popular beauty gurus of this time right now who is African American. So for you to say that black men should need to pull up their pants so they can run from the cops, you've been feeling this way. But don't say sorry for something you've been feeling. Own up to how you feel. Ain't nothing wrong with being racist, just niggas don't want, sorry. People don't want to know that you're racist. Keep that to yourself or keep that amongst your friends. People feel so freaking entitled. It's like not even that deep. I can't even eat no more because I'm full. But yeah. Turn around. Excuse me. But yes, you know, it's just ridiculous. I think that this generation of her kind, take that however you want to take it, makes the world the way that the world is now. You knew what you were going to say. That wasn't an impulse. You were able to control it. It wasn't something that came out of nowhere. You've been feeling this way. You've been thinking this. And this was probably a joke between... She knew what she was doing. It was planned. It must have been a joke between her and her friends just like her. You know? Wink, wink. But I can't do it. But I look crazy. But yeah, you know, I'm so sick of that S-H-I-T. I'm so sick of it. Because people like her think they can say and do whatever the F they want to do. And no one can stop them or no one can tell them what to do. But look, this backfired on you. And this made you look like a horrible person. Hi, if you're new to my page, I'm always in my nose. So just get used to it. My nose ring always itches. So I just... Hi. Alright. You want dessert? You want something sweet? These are cinnamon bites. It's sweet. Hold the fork. No. She didn't want no more food, so we ain't gonna make her. Right? So I'm just gonna end it off, because I'm done eating, with saying that if we are not together as a unit, then nobody has our back. And I know that's so random from talking about her, but as a minority group, we have to stick together, because we are so in different groups trying to protect ourselves. Nothing gets done. So if we came together as one big group to protect ourselves from them, and I know who them are, take it how you want to, then we need to start doing that, because we need to be proactive. We keep on having people attack us and say bad things about us, but not only are we giving them a point because we keep on doing it, but we never change. So, whoa, we never change. So, with that being said, no more colorism. You know, I'm so tired of that, like, Everybody's talking about that thing now. It's not anything new. It's not anything old. This is how it's been. It's always been like lighter, light skin, dark skin. Let's just be on the same team and work together, because if we fight each other, if we fight them separately, we won't win. And y'all trying to be losers forever? I'm trying to at some point be on the winning team, you know? So, because now you're collecting the cookies. No more. Give that bell a ring-a-ding-a-ding, so you can be notified when there is a new video posted to my channel. I want to start doing notification gang, so if you were first to this video, comment below and say you were first so I can shout you out in the next video. Okay, we gonna start doing it. We gonna get official, okay? And we on our road. We on the road to 700 subscribers. So let's get to 700 subscribers, and then we gonna make it. We gonna make it big. We gonna make it big, right? Say bye. You gonna say bye?
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say see you later. Say bye.
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 Oh my God. Oh, him. No.